Hi everyone, Zach Reinhardt here for CTBoost.com and welcome to the CTBoost Robotic Wildlife Challenge. Starting today for the next 5 weeks, we challenge you to create a nature documentary style 3D animation about wildlife, but with a robotic twist. In the end, we will put together a montage video of the best submissions where we can all enjoy the wonders of robotic life in nature. There are so many creative ways to implement robots in a nature environment and how these machines maybe hunt, collect fruit, live in the oceans, gather solar power. It's completely up to you. The focus here is the robot's unique design and how it interacts with nature. Meaning we recommend not just creating a robot horse standing in a field, but something more unique and creative, like the fishbot in our latest Robotic Planet course for Blender. Speaking of which, if you want to learn how to create inspiring robots for this challenge, you should check out the Robotic Planet course, where you will learn everything you need to know to model, texture, add materials, and even rig and animate your own unique robots. It is on discount until November 2nd, 2023, as well as all our other courses, since we are running our big birthday sale at the moment. This time we don't have a template scene for this challenge. This means you have full control over your scene and animation as long as it fits the topic. You can pick your own camera animation and motion, and you can use any 3D tool of your choice, whether it's free or paid. There are a few more specifications for animation lengths, frame rate, etc. Check out the challenge post for more infos, linked down below in the video description. However, there are still two main rules. First, the robot needs to be modeled in high poly, so we recommend Boolean modeling or sub-D modeling. No low poly modeling allowed. And second, keep the environment realistic to semi-realistic, so for this challenge cartoon-like submissions will not be accepted. A bit of stylization like in Pixar movies is fine though. More info on that in the challenge post, linked below. For the environment, we recommend using free 3D scanned assets which you can download online. We put together a very handy list of links to resources in the challenge post, so definitely check it out to make your life a lot easier. In general, we recommend keeping your animation simple and cinematic, similar as examples we have shared before. Also, you can check out some nature documentaries for inspiration and to study how they move their cameras. In general, the camera motions are very subtle, so basically don't go crazy with your camera animations. Additionally, I would recommend focusing on your robot design first, and after that create the environment which supports the robot design. And second, use as many free assets as possible for the environment so you can really focus the main effort on the robot. Let's talk about the prices. First, we will pick the best submissions which will end up in the final montage video, which I feel is already the best part of the challenge. However, in this video we will show and highlight the top 10, top 5 and the first place winner of the challenge. If your animation is under the top 10 submissions, we will add a link to your portfolio or social media in the video description of the montage video. You will get a custom top 10 trophy animation with your name on it, and you can choose one CTBoost course of your choice. If your animation is under the top 5 submissions, you will get everything which I just mentioned, plus a top 5 trophy animation with your name on it, and the top 5 winners, including the first place winner, get the chance to join a private video call with the CTBoost team. And if you get the first place, you will get everything which I just mentioned. In the montage video, you will be highlighted as the ultimate winner, and you will get your very own first place trophy animation with your name on it. But all prizes aside, the main thing for the challenge is to have fun, improve your skills, and that we all build a fun montage video together. So before you get started, click the link in the video description and read carefully through the challenge post and review all the resources which we gathered for you to get started. And most importantly, you can join our CTBoost community where you can follow the challenge updates, post your own work in progress renders and get feedback. I'm so excited to see what you guys will create. Just imagine a nature documentary with all these crazy, fun and wonderful robot designs. Let's get started.